Well, as you can see, we have the empty stringer all ripped apart. Had some motor problems, so I tore it down, took it to the shop. Nothing major. Needed the oil seal on the prop shaft is leaking. I wanted to get that fixed, and it's going to get a new impeller while it's there. So I thought I'd clean the boat up today while I can't fish. And as you can see, I got quite a mess. So I thought I'd like to give you a little tour of the empty stringer. I thought you might enjoy that. So here's how I fish and what I fish out of. This is the empty stringer. It's a 17.5 foot Alumacraft that I got from my uncle. He actually built the boat. As you can see, it's been highly modified. Seats taken out, live well welded in. Here's the live well. Got storage on each side. A storage box on that side also. Today we're just cleaning her up, trying to get things a little more organized. So that's it, the empty stringer. Here it is with a dumb cover off, because I was doing some painting. This is what happens when you forget to take the GoPro with you.